Hello everybody, here is another one of my traveler's notebooks. This one is black glitter faux leather and this pretty, I'm not sure which colors it's pink, white, and glitter faux leather, and I used the eyelets on the spine, and it's sewn all the way around. Has the gold and pink little puff ball dangle, and it has the black elastic. I'm gonna go ahead and measure this from about, I'm gonna measure right there, try to get from the spine. Excuse me, it's about 5.5 by 7.5 tall, and it has the pink felt inside. You get a washi tape. Look at that cute washi tape. And you get a pocket full of stickers and different things. Aren't those just adorable? And look, some little washi strips. Little tab and some numbers. And some cute little stickers there. These little stickers. These cute little stickers, and these right here. So you get all those little stickers in the washi. You get this little bow paper clip right here, and this is your laminated dashboard. You have some sticky notes. You have a 2-year planner, or calendar. I'm sorry, it says planner. It's you know, it's a calendar inside. So, but very cute colors. Kind of goes with the theme. Some more sticky notes, and the back side of your dashboard, and it is removable. All this stuff is removable. Here's your first notebook with your cute little paper clip here with the bow. You have your removable pen, and it's gold and pink. And this is stretchy, so you can get it in and out easily. Okay, and then here's your first 5x7 notebook, and I've stuck one of these little rosette paper clips in there with a button. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know where the paper collection, I don't remember, but it's just kind of cute little papers. They all were in the same paper pad. Here's your cute little pink puff ball, pom-pom. I call them puff balls, pom-poms. So this is your other 5x7 notebook. There's your elastic in the middle to remove it. Here is your little arrow paper clip on your page marker. It's a shaker. I love these colors, that pink and black. And back here is your pocket folder, and it's removable too. And you get these little list sheets in there. Very cute. And this little pink notebook sheets there. And then you have a pocket back here. And there you go. So this one is in my Etsy shop as well. I will list the link in the description, and the prices are on my Etsy. So, and all these are for US only. I don't ship international. So thank y'all for tuning in, and if you have any questions, leave them below. Thank you.